Hey family, it's Buffy if you're new here. Welcome to Buffy's Flavorful Journey. Come make a parfait with me. It's National Parfait Day on the 25th. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to do the crust first. So I have 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, a sleeve of graham crackers, and I put a few pretzels in there because I like the sweet and salty. Just put them in this bag. You use the rolling pin to crush them up. And I am kind of just winging this because I'm using this Philadelphia no-bake cheese. It has no flavor. I tasted a little bit of it. I'm gonna put some vanilla in here and other stuff. Okay, so I need a pinch of salt. And 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And this is unsalted butter because we already have salt from the pretzels and from the little pinch of salt we put in there. But of course, if you use salted butter, just don't use the pinch of salt and you should be fine. So then we just mix this together. And you can see the pretzel pieces in there. And this will be the bottom layer of the parfait. You just want to get it mixed together enough so that you can form a crust, or in this case, the bottom of the parfait container. Now we'll get the parfait containers. I have 7 of them. I got these off of Amazon. We'll see how many we end up using. Just going to spoon a little in there. Probably going to end up using them all. Might not even have enough. Doesn't look like. We'll see though. Okay. You get the other 3. Yeah, we're going to use all 7. I was trying to be sparing with the bottom layer of the crust, but don't think I need to be. I'm going to get them all in there, and then I will pack it down by hand. My hands are clean. Don't be cooking, baking. Don't be in the kitchen, period, with dirty hands. It's gross. You wouldn't want anybody cooking or baking for you with dirty hands, would you? So don't do that for anybody. And I am just eyeballing this. You wanted to be precise and measure it out, you could do that. Okay. Get that out of the way. Just packing it down in there. And we'll put these in the freezer while we're making the cheesecake filling. And when you do a parfait, you could do crust filling, but these are 8-ounce cups, so I'm just doing crust in the filling. And then we'll do a little sour cream, sugar mixed together for the topping. But yes, you could do layers. Okay, let's get these in the freezer. Pack that one down a little bit more. Now let's make the filling. Oops, again, I'm using the no-bake Philadelphia cream cheese no-bake. There's no flavor in here. Need to put some vanilla, and I'm gonna add Snickers to it. Because that's what I do. Flavorful journey, right? But yeah, this comes with a aluminum foil top on it underneath the plastic lid, and it had a little bit of the mixture on it, on that aluminum foil. So I said, let me taste this. Bland, no flavor. It's like, oh, who wants to eat that? Here's my handy dandy vanilla. 2 tablespoons going in. Put it together, get it out of the way. And I could use my stand mixer, but just decided to do this by hand. I'm going to mix the vanilla in first, and then I'll add the Snickers. You can see this isn't too bad at all, mixing it by hand. That will help out quite a bit with the bland flavor of it, I'm thinking. And these are my Snickers. I broke them up. It's the equivalent of 6 regular size candy bars, but I had the little fun size. So 3 of those fun size, that's about 1 regular candy bar. So it's 18 of these little fun size candy bars. Now, a lot of people, when they make Snicker cheesecake, it's just on the top, right? That's no fun. Put it inside the cheesecake batter. So you get the flavor from the vanilla, and you're going to get some sweetness from the Snickers and chocolate. So it's a win-win in my book. Let me get, that's got stuff on it. I want to get a little, something to taste test it. I just went and got a plastic knife. Much better. I like that now. Because before, me wash my hands off, it was not flavorful. I'm debating on whether I want to add a little vanilla left in there. A little sugar. I don't think I need to because we got the candy in there. I'm not going to. My siblings will let me know if I need to do it next time. I got a big mess. I want to wipe my counters off. I don't like cooking on dirty counters. So, there we go. Now, before I get that out, I'm going to go ahead and make up the topping. Let me rinse this out. I want to make the topping. The topping is going to be 2 teaspoons of sugar, just white granulated sugar, and 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. Let me go get this sugar. Okay. 2 heaping tablespoons. I think that's heaping. Now we just assemble. And after we've assembled everything, you put it in the refrigerator to set for about an hour. And that's your parfait. I'm gonna go ahead and put the sour cream up. One final mix, and then we just spoon it in there. Trying to make sure that I have all the Snickers evenly distributed through the batter. You know, sometimes you want cheesecake, and I usually make it with the Instapot recipe, but I wanted to try this. Semi-homemade. Sometimes you're tired. You want something, but oops, you don't want to go through all the steps of making it homemade. Now I got a little bit more that I can get out with the spatula, or try to. And then we'll do the topping. I'm gonna get a spoon to do the topping. And you know what? Let's see, because I want to get it even. Can I do it with the spatula? Let's see. Yeah. Then I'll get a paper towel to smooth out the rim, remove any excess. These things are so stinking cute, as my TT would say. Oh yeah, it's a cute little treat. I keep getting my hands dirty. Let me get a paper towel, and I just want to go around the rim, clean the rim of each parfait container. But this came together easy, and it tastes good. It's gonna taste even better after it's set for a little while in the fridge. Well, it's had to sit for that hour. Just spoon a little of the topping on there, and we'll spread it out. And if I have to make more, I can. And then I just want to, smooth the topping around just a little bit. Ideally, you would want it to go all the way across, but I know the next time I make this, I will need to do twice the amount of the topping, which I should have done it anyway, because when I make them in the Instapot, I do twice the amount of the topping. So I wasn't thinking, that's on me. Let me get the lids. Now it does come with a little tray that if you wanted to put granola or something in there, that will go on top, and then the dome. I'm not doing that. I'm just putting the domes on. Oh, are they not? Oh no. There. You gotta hear that snap. That is so cute. Look at that. And you can get glass parfait containers, but they cost more. And then you got the breakability factor. These are plastic. I don't know if they're dishwasher safe because I don't use my dishwasher. I wash everything by hand. Never been a dishwasher gal. Nobody in my family has been, actually. These will go in the freezer for an hour. Not the freezer, the refrigerator for an hour. And then I'll come back and I'll taste test it for you. If you remember back in the day, have you ever, see I got something on my finger, hate that. Ate at KFC and they had lemon and chocolate parfaits. This is kind of what it reminds me of. I might try to make a lemon one since I have the little parfait containers now. That would be good. Anybody have a copycat recipe for that? Let me know. I'm gonna hold the red. Red's my favorite color. Okay, my dumb butt did the taste test. First time didn't have the audio on. So I'm doing it again. It's good. I did make another batch of the sour cream and sugar topping, and I learned that once you made it and you put it on here, just shake your container side to side a little bit and the topping will disperse all over. This is really good. My dog was getting ready to act a fool. This is good, and I will make this again. Hour and a half tops, and you have an individual serving of cheesecake. And the hour is the time it sits in the refrigerator for, you know, firming up, setting up, I guess is what they call it. So try this. It's really good. But definitely add some vanilla flavor or whatever flavor you like, because just the container of the Philadelphia no-bake cream cheese cheesecake, very bland. Now if you like a bland cheesecake, then by all means. I like some flavor, and I like to mix ins with the Snickers, or if you, let's see, you use some Oreo cookies or whatever, you know, flavor mix-ins you want to try, M&Ms, other candy bars. But I'll put a link for these little parfait cups. This is the 8 ounce. I think they have a 4 ounce and a 12 ounce. I think this 8 ounce is the perfect size. So I'm glad I got these. And they're reusable. You just wash them and make your next set. And I was also thinking about those KFC parfaits. You know, I can make the graham cracker crust. We know how to do that. We just did that with this. Maybe get the lemon pie filling, and that will be the center. And then for the top, take some heavy cream, whip it up in your mixer, or buy some Cool Whip. But either way, with the heavy whipping cream and you're mixing it up, put some vanilla flavor in there. Or with the Cool Whip, mix some vanilla flavor in there. And that would be your topping. I think that would be pretty close to the KFC lemon parfait. Again, family though, but if you have the recipe, a copycat recipe, please share it. Because I do miss those KFC lemon parfaits. They were the bomb. My little brother and I were just talking about them the other day. He misses them too. But again, make this. This is really, really good. Of all my desserts that I made videos on, this is in my top 3. The best chocolate chip cookie, this, and I'm kind of torn between maybe my apple cobbler or the German chocolate cake. But yeah, this is in the top 3. It's that good. I gotta do the 2 hands up. Well, that's it, family. These turned out wonderful. It was quick, simple, semi-homemade cheesecake parfait. Make it, let me know how it turns out. If you haven't already, like the video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you all, and thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Have a great day. All the best to you and yours. Bye for now.